Hi, my name is Stephen Fisher. I'm the Event Services Director at Coronado Springs. I'm going to show you a little bit about our new intelligent televisions here at Disney's Coronado Springs. It's a great interactive system that we've installed here at our new Gran Destino Tower. First thing you'll notice is this great welcome screen, and when you check in, it's going to say welcome with your family's last name, so it's a personalized welcome experience. In addition to just our standard watch your TV, oops, we're not going to do that, we're going to go back to watching TV. We've got a great, easy to maneuver, easy to navigate channel guide to get you through all the channels that you might want to watch while you're here on vacation. We're going to go to the next segment here, Disney On Demand. Currently on Disney On Demand, you can watch some of our best Disney movies right from your room, but the good news here is that that will be replaced in November with our new Disney Plus streaming service, so you'll have access to that as a hotel guest as well. So access to all of our Disney, Marvel content, Pixar content, and so forth. One of my favorite features is Connect My Device, and this is where a family can come in and actually use your existing device to stream your favorite services, if it's Pandora or Hulu, or just to look at anything that's casting enabled on your personal device.
So all you have to do is go to the Wi-Fi, and you can either visit that site or use your camera's QR code. Makes
Correct.
it super easy.
Yeah, it's super easy. In fact, when I just stayed here recently, I just scanned the code right in, and it immediately started allowing me to cast to my TV, which I think is great. Again, it makes it a personalized experience for the guests. Here's a great feature as well, My Disney Vacation. Now, you're not going to see anything on this screen because we don't have an MDX account attached to this, but when you do pre-engage and check in, your MDX account will show up here, and daily you'll get your PhotoPasses directly to your TV screen. So it's a great option. Family can come back and actually all look at the pictures and decide what they'd like to purchase or what they'd like to add to their account. You'll also see all of your previously arranged, everything you've arranged, whether it's your dining experiences or your tours. All of that'll be there. Everything you've done through your MDX account, you can review on that link.
So you said review. So if we wanted to make any changes, we would still need to do that via the app.
Correct. You would still need to go to the app to make any changes. That's a great question. Hotel services. This is kind of it's usually your standard information, but a little more interactive. We've updated everything. Of course, here at Coronado, we've added some great food and beverage options like Toledo Tapa Steak and Seafood at the top of the new Gran Destino Tower. So you can learn a little bit about those options and how to book your reservations if you haven't already done that. And then, of course, you've got your Parks tab at the end, and so you can check your park hours and click in for more information on each individual park.
That is so fantastic. Thank you so much, Stephen.
My pleasure.